Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. I have this. This is a great power station, 600 watt. This thing is incredible. You can actually charge your car with it. And you know what, folks? Here's the best part. The power is still out here in Florida as a result of Hurricane Ian. But I can do my recording and record my videos thanks to my studio lights and this power station. So let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off right about now. So one of the things I like most about this power station is it has so much flexibility. 4 ways to charge it. You can charge it with solar, you can charge it with your car, you can charge it with your 110, etc., etc. On top of that, you can jumpstart your car or extend the battery. That's going to be hugely important. It has this big, bright, long-lasting LED light that will last for hours. And that is really important as well. On top of that, you've got 2 outlets that we're using for our studio lighting. On top of that, you've got 3 USB-A and the USB-C, so you can charge your phone time and time again. Got the DC input, the DC output, and everything you need in between. On top of all of that, I gotta show you, look how clear and concise that screen is. Telling you have 2 hours left. It's at 28% capacity. I'm using 73 watts of AC plugged in. So the fact that this thing tells you everything you need to know, it's got a straightforward screen, the LED light, and everything in between is fantastic. And see how it shows you how the wattage changes with each thing. Now I'm only using 37 watts. So stick around. We're going to show you a little more. Then we're going to show you the up-close portion of the video where you get all the product details. All right, folks, stick around. One of the other cool aspects to this device is it's one of the few big power stations that's actually able to jumpstart a car. Not only is it able to jumpstart a car, it's able to jumpstart a powerful car. I've got a V8 5.0 Mustang, and a lot of these power stations can't get the bigger cars. This thing will do a big diesel engine or a big Mustang motor. And it turned it right over. So folks, so many cool aspects to this power station. The fact that you can charge a car, you can use your solar panels, you can use your car to charge it. That's the cycle of life right there. All right, I'm gonna ask you to stick around. We're gonna show you the up-close portion of the video next, but this is an absolutely phenomenal device. You're gonna wanna pick it up. All right, folks, it's time for the up-close portion of the video. AMPACE Power Pack. This is the P600, 600 watts and 1800 peak watts. This is fantastic. There's 4 ways to charge it, including solar panels. You can plug it in. There's all sorts of stuff, DC, etc., etc. And of course, it is a jump starter. Are you kidding me? Not all of these do the jump starter. This is a fairly unique device that it does that. And they are coming with high quality. So you've got the user manual inside. Nice, and I guess I should give you a tour of what it says right on the outside, right? See if there's anything here. 600 watt, AMPACE power, and yeah, basic information right there. This is the metal gray. There's a vintage color or a mystic green. Yeah, mystic green. That's a fun color. So go ahead and check the listing for the different colors. So 600 watts, 1800 peak, and the jump starting option is going to set this apart from some of the competition. This is a lithium ion battery, which I do like more than the lithium polymer for its durability and the duration at which it works, and better than the iron phosphate batteries that are nowhere in their league. So then this is capacity of 584 watt hours, P600 model. DC 12 volt to 30 volt with 100 watt max. It's got an output of the AC 110 volt, 60 hertz, and a 600 watt pure sine wave. Surge of 1200, it says here. Output car charger. It's got output 3, which is the USB-C, the USB 1 and 2, and then it's got the output 4. That is the 12 volt jump starter with a 1500 amp, holy cow, operating between negative 20 degrees Celsius, and 45 degrees Celsius. That's a huge range. Most of them only go down to about 10 negative. All right, so a nice thing about this, you can see it will have an LED light. It will have the very clear and easy to read LED screen. It's got the jump starter right there to where all you have to do is plug it in and jump start your car. The dual outlets is an upgrade. Some of the competition like Jackery at this size may only have one. You got the USB-C, the USB, you got 3 different USBs right here on top of the USB-C. You got the DC output and the DC right there, the input. You can charge it, say with your car, you can charge it with the 110, you can charge it with the solar panels. You can charge it so many different ways. It's a 4-in-1, and of course the LED light is going to be plenty bright, and that's going to last for hours because it only takes up 2 watts. You're going to be able to leave this on for the entire, like if you're out of power for 4 days, you could leave that light on for the whole thing. So very nice there. You've got the extended battery as well as the jump starter. So that's nice. You can just extend the life of your battery. That will play to your advantage. You've got the DC input 12 to 30 volts. I love the idea that you can hook up solar panels and you can charge with your solar panels if you're so inclined. All right, now with the jump cables, these are going to be very easy to set up. Plug in to here, put the flat side, excuse me, the wide side down. And now you've got your positive and negative terminals for jump starting. Each of these, you're just going to press the button here to turn on, say, the standard outlets, to turn on the USB-C, to USB, to turn on the DC output. And this is going to be great. So folks, if you're looking for something that's going to really give your life a charge, this battery is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. It's the cat's meow. Go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you products we love. And guess what? AMPACE is doing a great job here. Let me show you again. Ample power, ample safe. Yeah. And you know, the thing is with AMPACE, they're a reputable company that's been around for a long period of time. They know how to make great batteries that are safe. Overcharge protection, etc., etc. It says 1800 watt for resistive load. It's got 1,000 cycles to 70% capacity, so you don't have to worry about getting this thing and you use it a few times and it isn't taking the charge like it used to. It's got over voltage protection, over load protection, temperature protection, short circuit protection, high and low temperature protection. It's got low voltage protection and over current protection. Yeah, it's got a little bit of everything, right? Some usage information. The screen capacity will tell you if you're plugged in the DC, the USB-C, the Type-C, the AC. Shows you how many watts you're using, how many hours you can use it for, and your capacity. Overall, a great product. Overload shutdown. If any output port is overloaded, the product will shut down. Then you just remove it. You've got the wall charger. You can connect it to a solar panel right there for the input. You can use your lighter in your car to charge it, of course, and you can use it as a extended battery. That's right. So if you need to extend your battery, this is a great option as well. The jump starter, how to basically use the jump starter, and the list of items. So again, a great company that backs their products. I love the idea that you can jumpstart a car with this, you can extend a battery with this, you can power your appliances with this, or I can power my lighting rig here at 91 Studios. So folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you products that are super awesome, super fancy, and fantastical. All right, thanks again for watching. I know I sound like a broken record thanking you guys every time, but I mean it. You're the heart and soul of this channel. I do appreciate you. You guys are my friends. I love reading the comments. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.